This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 offers unique power-operated door handles which help elevate its elegant exterior design and provide added peace of mind. To lock and unlock your G90 doors remotely, use the included Smart Key fob when it is within range. Your G90 can also be set to automatically detect your Smart Key when it gets within 40 inches of the vehicle, and then automatically unlock the vehicle doors. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and select or deselect Approach Unlock. The G90's doors can also be set to initially unlock only the driver's side front door on approach. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and select or deselect to press Unlock. After enabling, when the driver's door handle unlocks and pops out, touch the sensor on the outside door handle within 4 seconds to unlock all the remaining doors. When approaching from the passenger side, the G90's doors will remain locked, even if you are carrying the paired Smart Key fob. To unlock the vehicle, simply press the engraved section of the outside door handle to unlock all doors. All the door handles will pop out and the hazard warning lights will blink 2 times. After unlocking the doors will automatically relock after 30 seconds unless a door is opened. To lock the doors from the outside of the Genesis G90, make sure the Smart Key is in your possession and press the engraved part of the door handle to lock all the doors. To open a door while you are inside the vehicle, press the door button on the corresponding inner door trim. If the door does not open with the door button due to battery discharge or vehicle breakdown, pull the emergency open lever under the door pocket twice to open the door. The Genesis G90 is also equipped with features that will automatically lock or unlock your vehicle based on settings you select in the infotainment system screen. To access, press Setup, then Vehicle, and then Door. Auto Lock Enable On driving allows all the doors to be locked automatically when the vehicle exceeds 9 miles per hour. Auto Lock Enable On Shift allows all the doors to be locked automatically when the vehicle is shifted out of park with the engine running. Auto Unlock On Shift to P automatically unlocks the doors when the vehicle is shifted back into park while the engine is running. Auto Unlock upon vehicle off will automatically unlock all the doors when the vehicle is turned off. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.